Hey Gemini, welcome back to my channel, and today we are reading the cards for you for the month of January 2021. We will see what kind of energies are you getting in this month and what exactly can you expect from the universe coming to you in this new year. So let's get ahead. Before we go ahead, I would like to share my contact numbers with you so that if in case you want to get your personalized readings done, guys, you can reach me on these numbers and these email IDs. So call me, WhatsApp me, or Telegram me on 8448901791. Email me on blossomlighttarot@gmail.com and visit my website www.blossomlighttarot.com. So let's go ahead, Gemini, and see what are you getting from the universe in the fresh new year after 2020. Okay. The very first card is your fairy card, and fairy card is telling you guys eat healthy. Um, it's like your eating habits are something which needs some kind of a check. It needs to be on track. If you're eating too much of junk food right now, that can impact your health too much, or maybe the New Year's party or something. If you're drinking too much, that can impact your health. So health is going to be your concern in the very first week of um, 2021 January. That's one thing. Second thing which comes to my mind right now is that it is not like that you cannot eat it all, whatever you like, or maybe you have to just go on fasting. No, it's not like that. You need to be eating whatever you like, whatever you fancy. You eat that, but keep a check on everything. The quantity you are consuming, that's something which needs to be in check. So that's something you need to take care of, Gemini. So take care of yourself from that perspective. Our first message for you. Second message talks about you are betrayed by someone in your business, in your relationship. This person betrayed you, left you alone, and right now you are not in mode of fighting. Why so? Why do you not really want to fight here, Gemini? Well, I'll tell you the reason. You were always of a second. You always had a second thought about this person. You always had something in mind. You did not ever trusted this person completely. You always had your doubts on him, on her. Now the true face has come out, and now you know what the true face of the person, whatever why you were skeptical about the person, why you were skeptical about trusting that person. You have all the reasons to not trust the person now. So now you're not fighting. You are in a decision making mode right now. You are thinking, should you go ahead with this relationship? What should you do? How should you really get separated from this person? So thinking about the ways of separation, thinking about the how to take this relationship to the next level of either separation or just working it out and giving a final warning to the person. That's something which is ruling your mind in the first week, Gemini. I will again say, if you're going through that kind of issues, it is a generic reading. Few areas will resonate with few of you, and the other areas will resonate with others. Since it is a generic reading and I'm picking a lot of energies from the universe for a lot of people, please take care of your health, eat healthy, and if you are in unhealthy relationships, try to avoid that and then try to come out of that. Try from that perspective as well, Gemini. My suggestion to you. Second week is going to be a very critical week for people who are in family way, I will say. So happiness which had to come to you is going to be something which is is in I will not say danger, but I will say is something which needs to be taken care of very well. Precautions needs to be taken care of very well. If you are blessed with beautiful kids, if you have kids in the family, avoid taking them out anywhere, giving them unhealthy food, because that can impact their health also, and then their child's health. Your kids' health is something which is going to be a area of concern for you in the second week of January. Please take care of that energy very, very well. Be careful. It's COVID's time. Don't take them out for a party. Don't take them out anywhere. So please take care of them really, really well in January. Third week. Third week is something which is all about patience. It is all about emotions. It is all about emotional stability. It also talks about a person, an advisor, someone whom you can rely upon, whom you can really trust upon. That's something what I see. You have a reliable person in life. You have a reliable associate in life. And again, my nail polish is not doing very well. I forgot doing the touch up today, and I'm going to get those comments also. Yeah, I just noticed it. So again, on a lighter note, You have an advisor in life whom you can follow. You have an advisor in life whom you can actually rely upon, and this person's advice is going to work like wonders for you. I will tell you the traits of this person so that you identify this person very well out of your life. So this person is someone who could be a Taurus, can be a lion like a Leo. So these two people are actually acting like your guides in month of January. So it's a beautiful energy. It's a nice energy. You're supported with friends. You have people who will help you balance out your life, maintain patience, maintain temperance in life. So that's beautiful. You are supported by the right kind of people, Gemini. So don't worry at all. Fourth week. Fourth week is something which is actually giving you indications and giving you advice to actually hide your beautiful moments from people who don't even care about you, and you think that sharing everything is very important with everyone. It is not important. At times, what we do is that we have some special moments, special things going to happen in life, and you keep on telling about it to different people. Not everyone is your well wisher, Gemini. You need to refrain yourself from telling things to everyone. Tell things to your close circle, maybe your parents, your spouse, who actually are your well wishers. Okay, so please take care of that aspect in life because that is very very important. Okay, now another thing which is very important here for a lot of Gemini is that a bit of negativity is something which is ruling your mind in January. Maybe what you had planned in life that did not work out very well for you, but you need to understand your life is not all negative, it is full of positives as well, Gemini. So that's what my important point is, that look at the positives of life also, don't only focus on the negatives of life. That's really very important, Gemini. So focus on those energies, be positive, focus on the positive areas of your life. In the worst situation, if we are in that worst situation also, there is something which is positive. You just have to look at that positive, and that's very very important, Gemini. Okay, I am pulling two more cards for you, Gemini, and that card will be related to your love life, the very first card. And the second card what I will pull for you will be around your angel's message for you. So we will pull both the cards and we will see what is happening here. Okay, and here only I'm going to pull three more cards, which is for your past, present, and future in terms of your relationship era, which we are going to be continued in the relationship reading. We will do an elaborated reading around that. I'll give you a glimpse of your relationship reading in this reading only. So here is your message, which is your relationship message. Don't be misled by people. Don't be misled by people's communication. Don't get misled by if your partner gives whatever they are trying to present in front of you. You need to analyze and know the situation yourself. Know the truth yourself rather than believing in something which is presented to you to mislead you, Gemini. So take care of that, energy also. I'm taking one more message from the angels for you, so that we have a beautiful message from your angels. I see which angel is actually leading you here, and that's your crown chakra, which needs some attention right now. Why does it need an attention? Because in this month you will have a lot of ideas coming to your mind, ideas of starting a new business, idea of spending time with your kids, idea of spending time with your spouse, idea of spending some time and investing some time in your business area, your job, your projects, or investing something in yourself. Those ideas which are coming from here are very important in this month, so focus on them and have a blessed life, Gemini. Three cards which are going to be the continuation reading of your relationship area. I am pulling three cards right now for you, and we will read them elaborately in your relationship reading. So let's quickly take a message for you, right? So here we are, the card 1, the card 2, and the card 3. And basis these, we will read your relationship cards very very soon. Okay, alright. Okay. Maybe you were indecisive about someone, your partner, or someone you are dealing with right now. You were not able to make a decision in past. That's what I see, that you are confused about your partner. But then that confusion is a result of some illusion you have made in your mind, because the moon has appeared in your reading, and I see whenever moon comes there in your birth chart or in your horoscopes, in your astrology also, moons, creates illusions in the life of person. So illusion is something which is ruling your ideas right now. So be careful, come out in reality. And the third thing which is coming is door is opening to value. So whatever you are going to get right now, whatever you are in right now, very soon you will be in a situation wherein you will get something in your life which you would want to value or you want to adore, forever. So I will tell you more about these cards in your relationship reading, Gemini. Let's get ahead and see your and do your relationship reading. Okay, take care, bye bye, and God bless you.